No, 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 no.
Dillon Planter has been eliminated and sent to the dock of shame.
Oh.
Late in
Dude, the Jimmy Neutron memes always get me, dude. Every time, bro.
some football, huh? Have you seen the One Piece like parody? I think I showed you guys that, right?
Who's up for some football, huh?
And favoritism, but there's a general. I want her to sign my name on a giant banana. We can't. We can't get rid of this yet.
For her are not real. They're real to me.
They're real to me. I want my name on a fucking banana. Do I look like Christ to you? That was my favorite interaction out of that whole parody.
I look like Christ to you.
Yes. I'm already an e-boy. There's no way you can hurt me. Ew. This is my friend Justin. He's taken. And
You're my friend now.
Cracked at Fortnite.
You gotta find the peace of mind that the good Lord can give you.
He left me years ago. Oh! Every time I hear a racist kid on Xbox, I think of Bling Bling Boy.
Soul.
What about Debbie? Don't you think she earns the truth? Don't say
Oh,
her
yeah.
name. Or what?
Or what?
Or what?
What are you gonna do about it?
It's somewhere among them.
Among Us.
I see him. Among Us! I'm dead.
So I have to keep that in.
Good and tasty?
No, please.
Why did you make me do this?
What? Yeah. Why did you make me do this?
Think, Mark.
Who will you have in 500 years?
One Piece.
You, Dad. I love you, Hi.
Thank you, Dillon.
Hi, when someone says, they love you, you gotta say it back.
You too, Dillon.
You gonna try this again, dude?
I cannot live. Okay, hold on. Chill. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay.
You can hold your arrow rate if you want. You don't have to shoot it right away.
Oh yeah. I don't know how long I can hold it for though.
Dillon, I think you're done for it, buddy.
No. Shh, I got this. I got 5 jumps. In addition to my initial one. Alright, hold on. What's the cooldown? It's a 7 second. Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Nice.
Let's fucking go!
Can we get? There's no pog. Can we get purple dog?
Heal. Oh. Ah. Not you too. I was about to say. No! What? From where? What? Mithrix killed me, but I didn't even see you shots anyway. Oh. I was going so ham too. That was a good run.
That was.
Damn.
Could have believed in the squid, man.
Fuck you.
Could have saved your life.
Sure. Alright, so just quickly putting this in the video. I have two really long projects coming up. If you pay attention to my Twitter, I kind of tease towards them. So there might be no video for next week, but I'm going to try to get it out as fast as possible. I hope you guys like it. I'm definitely enjoying recording it so far. It is very long, but you know, I'm trying out some new stuff. Anyways, back to the video.
What to think about Boo Saga still?
I fucking hate you. Try to get it before you can get there. I hate you so much.
Whoa,
I
what?
fucking hate you. Hi. Oh, you're so useless now. Oh, you have 19 squids. Oh, I hate you. Why? Why would you do this?
This is pretty good.
Mr. Worldwide, Mr. 305. So we don't want him eating something he shouldn't be. This cat eats anything you can throw at him. It's ridiculous. Fingers, yarn, dirt, his own poop,
Coins.
lunar coins.
Never needed Bungus. Because we're,
You say we're a team, I will actually choke you.
All right, now you gotta follow up, okay?
Okay.
Don't look at me with those confused eyes, all right?
All right. Now, first you gotta give me your social security number.
You gotta wrap your social security number.
First, you gotta give me those numbers on the front of your credit card and those 3 wacky numbers on the back. Don't forget the expiration date.
Those 3 wacky numbers on the.
Those 3 wacky, silly numbers on the back. Don't worry.
Pretty good.